What's up for the squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today I'm actually going to go over the aftermath basically from the trip to Georgia. I'm going to go over how the car held up. I've been getting a lot of questions with people asking me how the bags were and all that, so we'll go ahead and tackle that in this video. Alright, so I do want to say overall, car held up pretty great. I didn't have any issues with the bags. Yeah, so that was great. On the way, I had the car up raised a little, and it was a little more bouncy than I would like, so I did have to go ahead and go down a little bit. I just went to my normal ride height on the way back. But yeah, about to go get the car washed if I have time and get all the guts and stuff off of it. I do have a bigger mark on there, or chip on here I should say, so it's good that I didn't switch over. I'm worried about that because I think something ate into the clear coat, but I'll see here in a little bit. Also on the road I saw when this came off, so one of the gloss pieces flew off. Now it was hanging for a little bit, so I was gonna get some more tape. I guess it was just that spot right here. As you see, there's no adhesive on it, so that's where it started hanging. But I saw when it flew off. I wasn't trying to just pull over for it, because I mean, I think I paid $15 for all of them, so I'll just buy another one. And don't know if there's any others that's hanging. No, I think that was the only one hanging. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for the casualties. I will say that I did find out that my cruise control does not work. I've had the issue where my parking brake light has been on. It's been on since around when I got my bags installed. Finally went to Nissan. They said they actually needed the car for a little longer so they can diagnose what's going on, because when they basically did their investigation, they couldn't figure it out. So I have to drop the car off. I might do that next week, Monday or Tuesday or something, so they can take a look at it and see what's going on. But I don't know if it's related to that, but the cruise control would not turn on at all. I was thinking, well, maybe just the light's not coming on, but nope, the cruise control just wasn't activated at all. So I have them take a look at that as well under my extended warranty. But yeah, the wheels were looking good most of the time. They're dirty again, of course, so like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get that taken care of. But yeah, there's nothing else. The car held up great. Alright, I'm at my usual spot. I don't say usual, but when it's a last minute type of thing, this is where I usually come. It's the Champions Gate car wash. They do a pretty good job. I do need to hit up a couple of those mobile washers. Main reason I haven't been hitting them up as often is because the way my complex is set up, I don't have access to the water unless I go to the wash bay, and I have to stop what I'm doing, take the car over there, and they can't always use their equipment. It depends on what they actually have, so it's a lot to it. But anyway, the car itself has been doing pretty good. I put about 1,200 miles with the trip there and back, to Georgia and back, and driving around town while I was in Georgia. So not too bad. Just got an oil change before I left. But yeah, I guess we'll wait till the car's ready. I always get nervous when they put the car back there, because it looks like it's about to go through, and that's the whole point. I don't want it to go through because it's too low, and it's too wide. I don't like being on those conveyors. Don't want to risk the wheels. Yep, just got done eating, so they're just about done, just wrapping up, wiping the wheels down. So it's a lot different when they're not busy, or not as busy, I should say. I'm used to coming here when it's packed. Alright, so they did a great job as always, and that was just dirt. No clear coat issue there, so we're good. And need to get this front lip taken off, but been very lazy. I think I actually may go ahead and replace this. Let me know if you think I should do another gloss black one, if I should do a carbon fiber one, or that carbon weave with a alternative pattern that's a little different. Let me know. As of right now, this is the only carbon I have on the car, and if I can get it to focus, it's not real carbon, but I think it looks decent. Let me know what you guys think. I've seen a wrap that looks like it was real close, just real similar, and if that's the case, I can use that for the roof. And if I decide to keep these side skirts, oops, sorry about that. If I decide to keep these side skirts, I could do it on that. And I don't know about the lip. I don't know if I should do gloss black or carbon. Let me know what you guys think. Because I might be, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I would like to, but only if I can get the Z and keep it. But we'll see. And this is my first fill up since I've been back. It's been a couple days since I've been back. I still had like 100 miles or so when I got back, so yeah, that was dope. Dude just hit me up asking if I could help shoot a music video, or if I know anybody who got a studio. So that's actually the third time this month that's happened. So I guess I need to get my game up or get some connections. Alright, so just getting back. It's funny, hold on. My neighbor did a horrible job parking, and she was trying to get out of her car. Or her husband did a horrible job parking, and she was trying to get out, and she realized she was too close, so she made him back up and park correctly. But yeah, the Altima did pretty good. Did a good job on the road trip, and definitely shout out to the guys in Georgia again. They definitely showed mad love. If you guys are interested in me having some kind of going to your area and see if we can get people together, definitely let me know. We'll see if we got any interest in that. I'm trying to see if we can get the whole fitter squad to go. That might be a little hard with everybody having, you know, everything going on at jobs and all that, but definitely let me know what you guys are thinking, because we might be able to do something next year. Definitely let me know if you guys are interested in that. But I did want to also bring back the comment of the day. I didn't really mean to stop it, it just kind of happened. So the comment of the day goes out to, and if you would like to be featured as the comment of the day, please leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to get everybody cycled through. But I'll just choose people randomly. But yeah, like I said, I'd like to thank you all for all the support. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.